Today we're going to go over different ways to add the most value to your flip so that you get the most money. Coming right up. Welcome back to the channel for new and experienced investors who want to create the life they've always wanted through real estate. I've been a broker, investor, and mentor for over 40 years. So make sure you subscribe and never miss a video. Okay, so the cabinets that we like to put are not Home Depot cabinets. They're a higher grade, and we put these in anywhere from the 300s to even 800, 900 properties. We like these. We haven't put the pulls yet, but we like these because they are soft closing. So you just let it kind of close. It doesn't make a lot of noise. And then the same thing for the drawers. The drawers are soft closing as well, kind of automatic close. So a lot of buyers come in, they see these type of higher end features, and they like that. And believe me, they are looking for things like that. So you should definitely consider putting stuff like that. One of the best ways to add value to your flip is to look for non-load bearing walls. As you can see here, this is actually a load bearing wall. If it wasn't, we would literally remove this and open up the kitchen area. But because it's load bearing, which means that it's holding up the wall above us, which is the master bedroom, it's very difficult, not impossible to remove, but it's also very costly. It's not something that I want to do right away. What's your favorite part of the flip? The kitchen? The bathrooms? Let me know in the comments below. The next thing is adding a bedroom or a bathroom. In this particular flip, the room behind me was originally a den. Had a big hole here to my right, and there was no door here. It was just opened up, double-sized door. And so as you come in, and you can see that we framed this out. We've put in a door in here, and to make this a legal bedroom, we have to also add a closet. So I had my contractor add this closet here. Now this is a legal bedroom with a door, a closet, and a window. Keep watching. I'm going to show you what not to add to your flips. It may surprise you. Okay, so the next thing you want to look for is possibly raising the ceiling. So this area above the kitchen here is called the soffit. And if there's enough room up there to add in lights and other plumbing that may be up there, you can raise that up to a bigger level, a taller height. In this case, we had some plumbing issues going through there, and so we were not able to do that. Okay, so we're in the backyard of this flip. Things that you could do back here, you can add a patio cover. You can put other stuff back here, but for this flip in particular, I wanted to kind of point out the different height of the cement work down here. So as you can see, we have different levels going on. That's something that really is not aesthetically pleasing or going to pass inspection. We have the cement coming off the wall here. You can see another big crack over here. And so what we're going to do is just literally just replace all this. And you see some other stress cracks going here. And then there's another one as you walk into the unit. So all this cement is going to be cut up and disposed of properly. And then we're going to put new cement in here. Let's talk about what not to add to your flip. Don't really impose your personal style to your flip. Make sure that it appeals to the mass. You may think that bright blue granite is beautiful on your kitchen countertops, but most people might not agree with you. Big ticket items like countertops, painting on the wall, flooring, kitchen fixtures, they should appeal to the mass, not specific to an individual person or an individual taste. Remember, it's not for you, it's for your buyer. There are many ways to add value to your next project. The more strategic you can be, the better. By keeping your end buyer in mind, you have a better chance of appealing to a wider audience. This betters your chance to make the most profit. If you're new to flipping and want to check out a finished product, check out this video right here. I do a complete walkthrough, explain what to add without going over your budget. Feel free to reach out to me anytime. See you on the next one.